Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell ships in Anno 1800. So ships are a great way to make money and also get a little bit of influence, and they're obviously built in your shipyard here. And I tend to build quite a lot of ships early on to get trading going. I also get a lot of schooners in the early phase of the game, and as I upgrade to the Clipper I tend to not need so many schooners anymore as I replace the trade routes. But as you can see on my mini-map down here, I have an awful lot of ships going back and forth. And as it's now time to start cleaning them up, I can come over here. You basically take your ships and take them to the NPC ports. And if you select them inside the port, you can see that this button here on the top right of the tab, Sell Ship,
present
up.
my humble
I press that,
to you.
I can then get 2,500 coins and 1 influence. And I just press yes. And I lose control of the ship, they take control of it, they get my money.
Ah, yes.
Effectively, they're right to mass sell.
What a
my
jolly.
I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest.
Present my
That, guys, is basically how you do it.
taking
You do also have the option, if you wish, to buy ships at this point in the game. I currently don't.
What a jolly.
If you want to, same method.
Taking the initiative
Hover over it like this.
as Her Majesty's adjutant. I must be quietly attentive.
10,000 coins. I don't particularly need that on now.
We assist however we need.
That, guys, is how you sell ships in Anno 1800. I hope this tutorial has helped.